I bought a crash Mini and it has some serious damage, and some of the damage is frame damage. So in this video we're going to be trying to get it to a shop that can try to bend out some of the damage. But just before we went to take the car to the trailer, it started snowing and snowing. Hopefully we can get it started, driven around the building without getting stuck. My name is Ethan and welcome to Car Creations. First up is to get the battery connected again, because we took it apart to do some of this stuff here. So hopefully it doesn't cause any problems. We're just going to put this back on. Starts right up. Okay, here's for the sketchiness. It's going, it's moving, woohoo! It's a weird noise coming from the front, but we'll just ignore that for now. And now, if the snow comes, all we have to do is put it on the trailer and we can drive right in. Let's see some of these errors here. Here they are right here. Drivetrain, and yeah, that's the most important thing, drivetrain. That could be interesting. Disconnected battery, and I think we should be good. Well, it snowed a little bit. Goodness gracious, it's cold out here. Mini is a bit covered, so. I feel like most of the videos we do on this channel is us removing snow. If they have to bend it a lot, it's probably better that we just replace the entire section. More safe anyway. But for now, we'll just get it bent back to the spot that it needs. And we'll basically go from there. I think it's gonna start right away, even in the freezing cold.
Yeah.
Place your bets, folks.
Oh, look at that.
It was close, but she did it. Let's get this trailer hooked up. We're ready to roll.
So remember the first time when we put this on, how the post was buried in the dirt?
Yeah.
Well, remember how it warmed up and then got cold again?
Oh no.
But if we drive the car onto the trailer, then it might tip it up. He's not gonna move an inch, guarantee it. How does it feel to be stuck?
Wait to get a snow shovel.
Don't worry guys, I always come prepared. Sledgehammer. Traction? Maybe? Genius. You gotta put it in gear?
Yeah, that would help, wouldn't it?
Yep.
This wheel isn't turning, it doesn't seem like.
This is the only time you'll ever see Ethan doing work.
I can edit that out.
Health and safety is here. It's just for extra measure. He just went flying back.
I do not have the right shoes for this. They're completely wet right through and frozen solid. That worked! Ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
I must say, it's really annoying working in the wintertime because literally everything requires a lot of work with snow. Had that Mini engine way too hot because we were trying to get it into the trailer. I had one light turn on that said that engine bay was hot, but I didn't get any overheating lights. So now we have to get it out the trailer and hopefully we can get there. Phew, we got backed in. That took a lot of work. All right, let's get her out. Oh. We're ready to parts for this car so they can bend her back. Mini safely at Bob's Body Shop, and we'll catch you guys all in a bit.
So I got a text from Ethan this morning saying that the parts for his Mini came in at the Mini dealership. So right now, I'm about to leave. I'll be on my way to pick up the parts and then take them to the body shop, drop them off because they need them to get the right measurements and so that when they do bend the arm back up, it's in place. There's the Mini dealership, guys. I'm in a Nissan, or a Nissan, whatever y'all call it, and I'm just surrounded by Minis. Oh, look at that one over there. That blue is beautiful. All right, well, let's go in, have a look, and see if we can get these parts.
Bumper support for you. I'll be right back. You're all set.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem. You have a good day.
You too. Starbucks. Everybody loves Starbucks. Hey, can I get a venti honey oat milk latte? Yeah, and a venti chestnut praline latte, please. Take care of your mother, because she takes care of you. Thank you. All right, well, we got the parts in there. Parts are gone. I guess we'll just be waiting for a phone call for when it's done, or if they can't do it, which hopefully that's not the case, but yeah.
And just like that, we got the parts to the shop. They bent it all back and added the parts on. And now the car's done. So we're picking it up and we'll see exactly how they bent it back and if that will work. Then we take it back home and we can start working on the next stage. So stay tuned and we'll update you all once we get there. Awesome, there's the car right there. And we already paid and everything and we just have to pick it up. And let's see what they did. We didn't get the hood bended out yet or painted, but we'll get to that once we get all the bumper stuff on. So then we can mold it properly to it and all that kind of stuff. Look at that.
That is clean, dude.
Yeah, obviously the hood is bent down, we can fix that, but like, if you look at the bottom, it's straight across, which is awesome. Right away.
There we go.
Were you worried for a second? Let's get her in the trailer.
Okay. Yeah, good. Straighten out. That's good there, probably.
All right, let's take a look at what they fixed. This is the post that was bent down. Maybe I'll put a clip right here or a picture right here. You can see what it looked like before. Taking a look at it, they did an amazing job. Putty back on it and everything. Like, you wouldn't know that it happened. I bought these pieces for Mini, so this front crash bar, this piece right here, and then that piece on that side. And I also bought brace here, as well as the brace on that side. And we got it all straightened out. This one we will have to replace this piece right here because it's bent off. But yeah, so we got all straightened out and we should be good. I'm trying to back her up now. All right, so that's the video. We hope you enjoyed. Let's hope he doesn't kill me over here. If you haven't had a chance yet, please subscribe. Please like the video as we appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, leave in the comments and we'll answer as soon as possible. Stay tuned for the next video as we're gonna be fixing, first off, the radiator and the intercooler. We hope you all have an amazing day. And I better help this guy before he crashes into a fence, or me.
Not bad, eh?
Nice! He didn't even go through the mud. That could probably swallow the Mini.